Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Trax versus the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. We will explore their distinct characteristics to help you decide which compact SUV best suits your needs. We'll cover everything from engine options and fuel efficiency to interior comfort and available technology. Stay tuned for a detailed breakdown of these popular vehicles, ensuring you have all the information to make an informed choice. When it comes to performance, the Trax often comes with a 1.2-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 137 horsepower, which is great for city driving. The Outlander Sport, however, offers a choice of a 2.0-liter or 2.4-liter engine, providing up to 168 horsepower for a bit more punch. Both vehicles offer the flexibility of front-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available for enhanced traction in various conditions. Inside, the Trax boasts an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The Outlander Sport offers a 7-inch display and available heated front seats, adding comfort to your ride. Both compact SUVs are equipped with essential safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane departure warnings, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Considering value, the Chevrolet Trax often starts around $21,500, presenting an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Mitsubishi Outlander Sport typically begins near $23,600, and it comes with a very robust warranty, which can be a significant advantage. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities, whether it's fuel efficiency, cargo space, or specific tech features. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.